Well, we've had about 4 feet of snow in the last like 2 weeks, and all of our parts machines are buried in snow right now. We've got a clutch to pull. I just can't remember exactly which machine it is that it is, because there's a lot of snow now. So let's get started. But we're trying to find Cat 550 and get a primary clutch from it. So that's the Mercury, but holy crap. Oh. Let's see what we got here. That's a four-wheeler. Okay. So, all right. It's about nipple height. So, this is just nuts. Where are you? Where are you? So I think it's one of those 3 machines. That's a LT, right? Is that you? Oh, no. All right. That's a Polaris. Hang with there. Oh. Yeah. That's the clutch that we're after. So, let's go grab some tools, and now we know where to dig. Side panel is going to be fun to get off. So, alrighty. Well, we're armed with a pocket full of tools. Let's go see if we can get this thing off. Look at it. I'm standing, and I'm up even with the seat of the snow machine. Just sunk down. Alright. Here we go. Try not to lose any tools. We got a clutch puller. One takes big torques. We'll try T55. Nope. So the inner bolt is going to be a 12.13. Alright, so now we got this bolt out. Set that aside. Throw the clutch puller in there. Took a little bit of finagling, but she popped off. There we go. We got a good Cat clutch. Well, that was a load of fun, but we got it. So if you guys are needing any parts, or if you just want me to shovel some snow, give us a call. Lefties, Snowmobile, and ATV Salvage. Let's get this clutch off to a happy customer.